speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. So this was a good week because I was so busy. I didn't have much time to screw around here. But I had a pending order sitting there for USD CAD, and it got filled. It filled in a really good spot. You know, firm into resistance on the weekly chart. We got a bearish engulfing and a nice wick. This looks like a correction for another drop. You know, I was trying to get into like Aussie or Euro or NZD long, but I just couldn't get filled. I kept trying to like place an order here, place an order there, and it just kept going up. But the thing is, I don't want to pig pile my my entire account down all at once in case I'm wrong. So I got filled on this trade. Great. I wasn't trying to like keep throwing trades in this week. We're in. This looks like a nice correction. Doesn't mean it's the top. No, this could come up and then go down. So I want to just chill, see what happens here. But I will be watching. Yeah, because we're at an interesting spot. So, I mean, if you look at the market, like, yeah, clear across the board. You see Bitcoin is like we're creating this flag. You know what I mean? I feel like as soon as the market gets that piece of news that it needs, it's off. Right? And I'm looking for that momentum. So that's why I'm not sure. You know, this could be it. But you see, yeah, Aussie's hitting the 200-day EMA. This could come down and then go back up and make some sort of expansion because Aussie loves to do that. NZD with this lower high and this wick, which could mean that maybe we get a wick and this comes all the way back down this week. And then next week it starts pushing and then we had a little flag right here. That's possible. That's why I didn't want to throw everything down yet. I want to see, because if NZD comes all the way back down to this trend line, I'm a buyer. I'm a buyer. If this keeps going, well then we're in USD CAD and then we'll take it from there. But this could be a weekly correction here. I don't know. So I think we're just going to take it slow, take it as it comes. You know, but if the Fed is going to devalue, I'm going to be looking for US dollar shorts. I'm not going to pile all in at once because the Forex market is tricky. And with crypto, you know, I got into Bitcoin and Doge somewhere in the correction phase. And I'm looking for one rip higher. I'm looking for another rip higher, and as soon as I'm happy with the rip, I'm pulling out. All of it. I'm out. And then we'll see what happens. If we get another correction, I might re-enter. But I'm looking for one more rip higher. And then I am pulling my cryptos. I am pulling them. Because honestly, in my mind, I see with the Fed lowering interest rates that potentially the stock market, crypto, silver, gold, it all rips higher. We get that, you know, we get this extreme move, capitulation. You know, we get capitulation at the top. We just get this strong move up. You know, that's when you want to be out. And then it's going to come crashing back down. So I don't think we're there yet. This looks like it's setting up to be a correction for another move. Man, I would imagine that gold and silver after we get that capitulation and everything starts to crash, you know, everything's going to crash. Gold, silver, everything. I want to try to pull out before then and then be buying the dip for silver, gold, Bitcoin, all of them. I want to be buying it at that point. But as of right now, yeah, I was thinking if you look at USD CAD, for instance, right? Wouldn't it make perfect sense in your mind if we have this double top sitting up here, untouched, like bigger picture? And right now we're in an uptrend for USD CAD. The US dollar starts to go down, comes down to this zone, sweeps these lows, and then we have a crash, and it goes and shoots up and takes that double top. It makes sense to me. That's why for now, I'm a seller for USD CAD until we hit this zone, and then once we hit this zone, I might become a buyer, to be honest. But let's just take it step by step, week by week. But for now, we got filled on USD CAD. We're in profit, and we're gonna let it ride. I'm not doing anything. I'm not putting a stop loss. I'm not doing any of that. I put in a small amount, and we're just gonna let it ride and wait and see if we get another opportunity. And if it just keeps ripping from here, well, I want to see things punch. That's the thing I'm looking for. I'm looking for things to punch. You know, because if crypto punches through this correction, here's the correction. If we get the punch through, then we jump in on the retest and go. You know what I mean? Or as soon as we get the punch, we enter. And hopefully it's not a false break and then it goes all the way down. You know, because that happens too. But yeah, anyways, guys, we'll see what happens this week. But for now, I'm just going to hold firm on USD CAD, on crypto, and all of it. The only thing that's up in my retirement portfolio is the SLV. I bought a bunch of silver in the retirement portfolio, and it is up. But yeah, the rest of them are long-term holds anyway. I'm just gonna sit on them and see what happens. But anyways, guys, see you later.